Hey guys, this is Sam here with South Hills Lincoln. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 2022 Nautilus. Does it have a sunroof? Because it's a little dark in here. What if we opened it up and brought a little bit of light in? How would we do that? Also, how big is this sunroof, and do you get it on every trim level of the Nautilus, or is it like an option? Like, what's the deal with that? Let's talk about it. So to answer your question, how big is the Nautilus sunroof? Let me tell you, this sunroof is bigger than a moon pie on Independence Day. What you're gonna do is you're gonna look to the middle of the vehicle above the rear view mirror. You're gonna see this whole console of all these crazy little buttons. It's really not that complicated. It's not as complicated as it looks. There are two buttons on the right. Or sunshade is gonna go in. Does the sunroof come on every Nautilus trim? Is it some kind of package you have to pay extra for? There are three trim levels of the Nautilus. There's the standard, the reserve, and the black label. This is not available or an option on the standard. On the reserve and the black label, there's no package or anything. It just comes with them. But what do you guys think? Have you had a sunroof in a vehicle? How was your experience? Did you like it? Did it enrich your driving experience? Or did it kind of feel unnecessary to you and you never really used it? Let me know in the comments below. Have you guys had the chance to drive a Nautilus? If not, give us a call, 724-941-1600, and always ask for Sam or extension 522, and I'll take it from there. We have some on the way, we have some on the lot. We can take orders for them as well. I did a video about how to order them. I'm probably gonna put that in the description as well. Other than that, I'm a little bit new here, but I wanna work with as many people as humanly possible. So I will pay you for every person who you send in who buys from me saying you referred them. If they buy from me and I know you sent them, we will send you a check. For anybody who doesn't want a brand new Lincoln, we have a very impressive and generous pre-owned inventory, most of which we Lincoln certify with an amazing warranty. We have a Ford store I can sell through as well. And for anybody who, again, lives far from Pittsburgh, we do deliver. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. But thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day.